I'm attorney Dylan Besser with RSH Legal. As one might assume, one of the more common workplaces that leads to work injuries in Iowa is the construction industry. If you have worked in the construction industry, it is likely you have been or know someone who has been injured while working on the job. There are some important issues that all injured workers, particularly in a construction job, should be aware of when an injury occurs. First, it is important to contact an experienced Iowa workers' compensation attorney shortly after the injury occurs. Even if your employer and its insurance carrier are providing you medical treatment, there are other factors that could benefit from an attorney's review of your case. Additionally, it is necessary to contact an attorney early to determine whether you are being treated as an independent contractor or an employee. Independent contractors may be excluded from workers' compensation benefits. There are times when a company may consider someone to be an independent contractor, but that is not correct. If this could be an issue in your case, it is vital that an attorney investigates these factors shortly after the injury occurred. Second, there are usually multiple entities involved at a construction work site in Iowa. While your employer may provide you workers' compensation benefits, an investigation should also be done by an experienced attorney as to whether any other parties are at fault or negligent. At a construction work site, there could be the property owner, other contractors, or a third party in the area that was negligent and caused your injury. In a work comp case, Iowa is a no-fault state. This means you do not need to prove who caused your injury to be able to obtain workers' compensation benefits. However, if someone beside your employer was at fault, it is necessary to prove that fault for a separate case. If negligence by someone other than your employer led to your injury, you may be entitled to additional benefits or damages on top of the benefits received through your workers' compensation claim. Third, it is important to involve an attorney early to investigate whether there were unsafe work conditions. Obviously, a work site can change rapidly. In many cases, the conditions on the premises can be a major factor in the case. Involving an attorney early on allows for some of those considerations to be preserved and could benefit your case down the road. Providing a complete picture of the work site on the day of the injury can help your workers' compensation attorney evaluate your case. Finally, the construction industry requires significant physical labor. If your injury is substantial, it could prevent you from returning to work for a significant amount of time, if at all. To be able to protect your benefits and maximize them, it is critical for a workers' compensation attorney to get involved early. An attorney can ensure that the necessary medical treatment is being provided, monitor whether any light duty work being offered follows the medical provider's work restrictions, and work to provide essential permanent disability benefits if your injury does not heal. If you have been injured while working construction, do not hesitate to receive your free, no-obligation case evaluation by contacting RSH Legal today at 1-800-433-0283.